Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial of Rizom Labs in which we are going to unwrap this battery. This is a lithium battery, I guess, and we are going to unwrap it and pack it in a way that can be used for video games. All right. So first, we are going to make the sinks in 3ds Max. We are going to select all the faces with unwrap and then flatten by smoothing group. That way it will make a cut in every hard edge of the subject, like here, 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 here. We can add also more cuts in these cylinders, like here, 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 and here, but we're gonna use Reason Lab for that, because this is a tutorial about Reason Lab, okay? So we collapse the modifier, export, stop, let's put, okay, now we load the object with Reason Lab. First, we are going to unwrap it. For unwrap it, we just press U, the, the key U, and now we have it unwrapped. Let's pack it. This is a quick, a bad one. So we are going to go island by island to straighten them first and then pack. Okay, so we are going to move this. I just made this fast unwrap and pack just to visualize what we have here. So let's go Island by Island. Let's get this one first. This can be a straight line. It seems like there is a triangle somewhere here. Okay, so just make a couple of cuts to be able to make a straight line. The problem is here. Okay. Come on, reason. What's happening? It seems to be a problem with these vertices, but we're gonna do this. We're going to constrain this, and now we got a straight line. The same here. Now we got another straight line, and the same here. There's a couple of vertices here that are creating. Oh, here it is. Issue. This vertex is not connected to anywhere. So let's straighten it this way with constraints. Okay. Grab. Problem here. Let's make a couple of more cuts. Okay. Let's select these edges and we want this island to be straightened to get better results on the normal maps, to avoid pixelation in our maps. Well, well, and well, and also well here. Hey, no, probably here. Yeah, here we go. Now let's straighten this other, and this one. This one has a lot of distortion. This one is this big piece, so we are gonna make a couple of cuts to get rid of that distortion. We're gonna get this bottom and one of these lines. Now we unwrap, straighten. This one cannot be straightened because it has this triangle on the corners. So okay, wait. Let's group and pack to visualize better how many islands we left to do. So this one we need to straighten this one, this one, this one are gonna be horizontal. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, vertical. Okay, this is ready. We are going to get all the square island. Here, to do that, we are going to select by polygons. So we got this tool here to select by polygons. Polygon counts. So minimum 0, maximum 2. Okay, select by polygon. Maximum 1. There you go. So we get all the squares, and just a few cannot be straightened like this one and like this one because they are more similar a triangle instead of a square. Okay, so we just put this one here like they are ready, and we um, straighten this one. Okay, now they are ready. Okay, so quite few more islands to do. Select impact to visualize better like all the time we did before. Straight this side and this side. Now go to the cylinders and let's make this cut we were talking about at the beginning of the videos that we could make in Max, but we were going to make it in Rizom. Okay, so straighten. They are straightened already. Come here and do the same with this one. And be straightened. This one can be straightened. I'm doing this option, which would be hotkey number 2 on my Rizom lab because I customize it like that. In your Rizom lab, you need to customize it like that, or just click here, or just clicking that button. Okay, only 86 island to go. We already did 227. That's good. These circles, wait, well, for this circle, we are going to align one of their side horizontally or vertically to at least get one of their side with no pixelation. Okay, same here. This one would be like this. All this can be straightened. Double check, yeah, it's okay. All this can be straightened. This one has some issues, I remember, with a couple of vertices that were bad positioned or whatever, and it couldn't be straightened easily just with one click. So we need to do some workaround to get it straightened. Okay, so this one, we will probably need to do the same that we did at the beginning. I hit like this, yeah, we got a problem. So we make a cut here and a cut here. Let's see if it works. Yeah, here it works. Now we need to do the same here, and would be, I don't remember well. Let me double check. This one is okay. This one doesn't need any cut, but this one need a cut here because this one has this loose vertex. So to straighten this one, we're going to use the constraints. Okay, constraints, and we do it manually. Now we weld here and weld this here. We just select the edge and press the W key. Alright, quite less Iceland to unwrap. This one are the same, this one are the same and are okay also. Okay, this one only need these two and this one these two to be straightened. This one these two. Alright. This one are okay. These two, this one. Okay, now let's do the circles. The circle we just make a cut. Also same for these pieces. We make a cut and we straighten them like a stripe. Now we can just straighten them like a stripe. So you see, stripe. This one could go like this, but I will get a lot of distortion. So let's not do that, okay? So we're going to put this one as horizontal. Now this one as vertical. This one horizontal. And we straighten them, and now we straighten. Those one are okay. Now this one, if we straighten this one, we get a lot of distortion. So we don't do that. So what we're gonna do, we're going to select them all, stack them. We are going to align them by one edge. We got a problem with this island. It got flipped. Okay, these two are okay. This one can be straightened here. This can be horizontal. These two vertical. These two horizontal. Same here. These two can go horizontal. These two vertical. This way again I'm putting this horizontally and vertically using these two buttons. Only in my keyboard, in my Rizom lab, I customize it to do it with 1 and 2. You can customize it yourself here in prefer and in keyboard mouse customizer. Okay, this one is already now. Let's do this one now. Which part is this? Who is this? Okay, let's straighten that one. So this one are not gonna have any details on the normal, only on any details on the normals, only the bevels. So we can straighten them. The circles, as said before, we align one of its edge with the horizontal or vertical axis to avoid pixelation, at least in those edges. Here we straighten this one like this. This one and this one, we make a cut and again straighten them. Those are ready. This one can be vertical, also this. And let's wait. I'm getting this one vertical too. Let's see the result. Nice. Now we just need to put these two horizontally. Okay. Let's this one can be straightened. This one like all the circles. Oh, this one. This is a circle, but it has different lengths on this side than in this side. So we are going to get the most visible side, which is this one. We are going to constrain it horizontally, and now we get it. These two, okay. Mm. The same with this circle. This is done, and this is done. All right. So we already did the unwrap for this asset. We already did the unwrap and straighten. So what's the next part? We are going to pack all these islands. We are going to set a proper tensile density for them. So let's pack. Here the tensile density is very low. I'm not sure what's the size of this inside 3ds Max. Probably it's like 5 meters. I know it's a lot for a battery, but we didn't check the units in Max. So let's try to do our best here. First, we are going to get them all with the same textile density. For example, this one has 0.1. This one also has 0.1. So all have same textile density. We are going to use here ultra. We're going to use margin of 4. Yeah, padding of 16 is okay. Let's use this 248k. 248 by 2048 by 2048 pixel of resolution, and just let hit back. Let's see what it got us. Okay, this is not a good pack because we have a lot of empty space here. What we can do is we can scale up these little islands that are not gonna have a lot of pixels in the normal map, and they will probably end up with pixelation or whatever. So we are going to scale them up a bit. First, I think I saw some pixelation here. So let's do this. Also, these horizontal lines, we're going to scale them up a bit. We got a big problem here. I'm not sure why. We're getting this problem here. Oh, it's like this loose point. Okay, I will unwrap it like this here, and then in Max I will fix it manually. Okay, so for upscaling this very small island, we are going to select by textile density. We do that here, somewhere around here. I don't remember now well. Polygon UV size, yeah, in the UV size. Okay, so deselect this one. Let's go to UV size. Select the maximum of one. No, it's too much. So let's put 0.01 and let's see what it got us. Oh, it's too low now. Select now. I'm getting the small ones. Okay. Also, I'm getting some big one. Oh, this one is flipped. Then this one like this. And Where was it? Here. 0.5. Select until getting the small one, and we are going to scale up a little bit the small one. Now the tensile density of the small one is like 3 times of the rest of the island. Okay, so now we pack. The orientation and scales. Now we are keeping the textile density, and if we check, wait. I think we need to do something else to keep the tensile density of this small island, and is something around here. Yeah, this one off. Wait, I need to select all the island and get them off here. Also get them off here. Scale optimization, yeah. And let's hide the notification that those islands are not gonna be scaled down or up. Now the small one. Wait, here we got a big issue with the unwrapping. I don't know how I missed that. No, it's unwrapped. Due to we have this big island here, we are not getting this space filled. So we're going to split this one so he can do something better. Let's scale this a little bit up, and now I'm getting a better result. Come on, Rizom, do your best. Let's split this long island and cross the fingers to Rizom to make a better pack. Okay, let's just put this one over here. Alright, this is a decent pack. We can scale this a little bit down. And this is basically how you unwrap, straighten, and pack in Rizom Lab. This is just a quick asset. It can get a bit more complicated with bigger assets.